all made it to the airport. Now we're just waiting.
Feel free to switch on your cell phones if they're within your reach. And talk real loud so those around you can hear your conversation. For those of you that smoke, we ask that you quit.
Keep her close too. Keep them together.
Stop size, look at that.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Put some stuff in the drawer. Look at this. Look at this. Pretty Tony. Pretty Tony.
Pretty Tony.
Halfway Pretty Tony.
Pretty Tony. Hey, is that more Pretty Tony?
One more for the people.
I hitched a ride
To where?
with the crew. We are on our way to dinner with the RL.
We're trying to figure it out. This is the first time we actually discussed names.
It's Raina. We agreed to Raina.
We didn't agree to anything yet?
Oh, they just left her hanging. By the letters. Yeah, right now.
IHOP.
What you gonna get?
Florida.
What are you gonna get to eat? We just came to the mall. I had to re-up on my MAC concealer. We had some ices. Did you get something? No, you had some ice cream. She went off wandering by herself. But now we're about to go to Crayola Factory. Would you like? Would you like to color? Wrap it up. Go ahead, run right, walk in front. There you go.
I just want my own color.
That's what you wanted? That look like Homer Simpson. It's the second time I finished my art and it did not show up. We just made a camp. We stopped for Kona Pizza. Poolside with drinks. I'm about to go get one. I'm very desperate.
everything for me, okay?
Okay, thank you. Look at mac and cheese.
And I'll take that.
Need napkin, mommy.